if you're trying to clean your prisms inside your Haag-Streit binocular head, there's another video that shows you how to do it. You've got to take off the safety screw to pull out the barrels. Got to release those screws, and once you get it out, just remember that before you pull the assembly out, to mark the edge with something sharp so that when you put it back together, you have a line marking. You will have a line showing you exactly where it went. So a good thing to use is like a razor blade. Find a point. You could go like right under here and just mark it right on the edge, right where the two sides will meet. And put a nice little mark on there with a sharp edge. So that when it's time to put it back together, it's going right in the same spot. Otherwise, you're going to have to adjust it. But once you get that all out, if you want to get underneath these posts, just go ahead and take them off. Put some little marks here where they go to remind you, and you can take off these two screws and these posts, and then you can clean underneath these posts. Here's a post, here's the screws, and here's a mark. They're glued in, but this is more of a support, so that needs to go back on. But if you take those posts out, then you can clean underneath your prisms with Windex or some kind of glass cleaner, and then to dry them off very good. And remember, if it's tight in here, it's hard to get your cotton swab in, you could go ahead and get some chin rest paper or something small, bend it, and use that to help you get down into that low crevice to wipe it out and to clean it with your glass cleaner. After you've cleaned underneath the posts, reattach them and put your support back on. To keep it tight.